This is my GE water softener that I installed about 9 years ago. Today I just want to confirm that it's working properly, and I'm going to show you how to do that with these water hardness test strips. They're super easy. You can do it yourself. You don't need to call a specialist, and it'll even tell you what the hardness level is so that you can adjust your water softener if you need to. Now, if we look close at the water softener, we'll see the pipes which run to and from it. And the pipe that leads to my water softener, you'll see that there is one line running to my kitchen faucet before the water softener. What's important about that is where I can test the water before it runs through the water softener. In other words, the cold water tap should have hard water. We do that for taste. And every other faucet in the house, hot and cold, has softened water, so we can pretty much use any tap in the house to test the soft water, other than the kitchen sink cold water. Alright, so starting in my bathroom, I'm going to turn the cold water tap on and let it run for a few seconds. And now I'm going to take out one of these test strips, and I'm going to place it in the stream of water for about 1-2 seconds. And now I'll just shake off the water, and I'll wait about 15 seconds. Alright, so after about 15 seconds, you're just going to kind of match the color. And here you can see, I would say my hardness is somewhere between 0 and 1.5. And if we look at that, that qualifies as soft water. So this is good news, and now this means that our water softener is functioning. Now I'm going to do the same thing at my kitchen sink. I'm going to run the test strip under the water for about 2 seconds. Shake off the water and wait about 15 seconds. Alright, after about 15 seconds, I'll line up. The hardness of my water looks to be somewhere between 15 and 20, I'd say. It's not quite as dark as 25, so let's call it 17. Okay, so we have confirmed that this water softener is working, but I'm not done yet, because if I press my mode button, I can actually go through and see what did I plug in for the hardness of my water in order for this softener to operate. Mine is set to 11, but my water is much harder than 11. It was more like a 17. So now I'm just going to dial up the hardness indicator on my unit so that it does a little harder job of softening the water. This is going to make the water a little bit softer flowing through the pipes in my house, because it's going to make the regeneration work a little harder. So that's all there is to it. I'll put more information in the description if you want to get a test kit so you can test your water hardness and determine if your softener is working correctly. And I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.